Hello everyone, today I will be unboxing and testing MelodySusie SP1 Cordless and Stepless Speed Nail Drill. So make sure to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my new video. So this is the brand new MelodySusie SP1 Nail Drill. It comes with the rechargeable nail drill, ceramic nail drill bit. It is the medium large barrel. Comes with the USB charge cord, 56 pieces sanding bands, 6 basic nail drill bits, and of course the manual. Inside this manual you can see how to use the nail drill and also the use of the nail drill bit. Using the nail drill, first replace the desired drill bit. Next is press the on and off button for 3 seconds to turn on the device. And this is also serves as your forward and reverse button. So you just short press and then rotate the speed control knob to accelerate or decelerate the rotation speed of the nail drill bit. And now I will be testing it for shortening nails. Superior SP1 Cordless Rechargeable Nail Drill is equipped with a coreless motor with a high rotation speed of up to 30,000 RPM that allows you to customize the speed of your nail drill, whether you need to grind, shape, or polish your nails. The adjustable high-speed function can handle it all. The unique pen-shaped nail drill is designed to be lightweight and portable. The smart LCD screen can clearly display RPM with 2 ways rotation. You can switch between clockwise and anti-clockwise directions to achieve your desired nail design. So I'm just gonna show you again. Short press for the forward and reverse button and then rotate the speed control knob to accelerate or decelerate the rotation speed of the nail drill bit. And here are the using tips for SP1. For nail prep, use 8,000 to 12,000 RPM. Next is for sanding band use it up to 15,000 RPM. For gel removal, use it up to 25,000 RPM. For shortening nails, use it up to 30,000 RPM. Press the forward, reverse, and on and off button for 3 seconds to turn off the device. And now I will be testing it for the gel removal. With its compact design, you can use this nail drill anywhere, anytime. And this portable nail drill machine is fully charged for about 1.5 hours, and the electric nail file will work up to 3 hours. The smart LCD screen displays your operation status, including RPM and direction, providing clear and easy to read information at a glance. Plus, with its 7 kinds of professional metal, ceramic, nail drill bits, this e-file meets your multiple manicures needs for trimming, grinding, carving, cutting, and polishing for all nail arts as well as cuticle removal. So this is very lightweight and it is so easy to use and easy to carry anywhere. I really like this product and I highly recommend it because it is suitable for professional and beginners. It is also good for home and salon use. So make sure to check the link down below and don't forget to use my code ROSEDIY13 to get 8% off when you shop at MelodySusie official stores. So make sure to check the link down below on my description box. And that's it everyone. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you for watching.